Are you looking for funding? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize the funding that you receive. This is going to be the complete blueprint to funding, guys. These are the exact steps that you need to follow, because guess what? This is not just me telling you this because I think it's right. This is what the underwriters at the bank want to see, guys. So before you even step foot into a bank, make sure that you get a copy of this funding blueprint, so that way you can fully maximize the amount of funding that you're going to acquire. We offer everything from shelf corps, business trade lines, personal credit, business credit, you name it, we will have you covered. You can join the credit community. I offer one-on-one support as well, but this funding blueprint is going to be your ultimate guide and is going to give you all of the steps that you need to do. It also has our business trade lines in here, but it's going to give you the exact blueprint. And this is what the banks want to see, guys. This is the exact step. And I'm going to just give you a sneak peek right here, because this is the roadmap right here. The 6 rules to understand how to build a strong business foundation. And this exact blueprint, guys, it is less than what you would spend at Starbucks for the week, guys. And I have to charge because I have to make sure that the people, I'm getting rid of all the tire kickers and those that just want free information and aren't going to do anything with it. But I'm telling you guys, for less than $30, you can get this guide that's going to give you the exact steps on what you need to do to maximize your funding. And this is just not what I think, but this is actually from the underwriters at the bank. I have great friends that work at the bank. A lot of them are on the business side. I have one really good friend who actually works in the SBA side of things. She took a look at this. She was like, that's exactly what we're looking for. These are the steps, guys. So make sure to follow, like, subscribe. Most importantly, comment the word blueprint and I will send you exclusive access for you to get a copy of this funding blueprint. That is what the banks want to see for you to maximize your funding. Yes, we have shelf corporations. Yes, we have business trade lines. Yes, we have personal trade lines. I have everything that you're going to need from A to Z. We're a one-stop shop. And guess what? You can work directly with me, or you can join the community where we meet every Friday and teach you exactly what you need to do to fix your personal credit, grow your business credit, get funding. I mean, inside of our classroom here, guys, we have so much information, so many replays. I've had a lot of guest speakers, and we give you the exact blueprint on how to get funding. That way you don't have to give anyone a percentage of your funding. You keep 100% of what you get approved for, because you're learning this information. This information is powerful. Information is the new gold, my friends. So if you want a copy of the funding blueprint, I will be more than happy to send it over. I'm also going to include a copy of the shelf corporations outline, how shelf corporations work, how they can benefit you, because if your business has been around for less than 4 years, you're pretty much going to be declined from most banks, especially if you don't have a 780 credit score. And that's just based on the time that you've been in business. And that's why shelf corps are the ultimate hack to getting funding. You want to make sure that your business is set up properly, following the roadmap, following the blueprint, taking it step by step, making sure that you do not miss any of these steps, guys. It's 6 steps to success. Again, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure that you give me a huge thumbs up, comment the word blueprint, and I'll send you exclusive access now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.